In my perspective, homeschooling transcends the mere act of educating children within the home environment. It's about crafting an extraordinary, enriching childhood experience that nurtures our children with depth and richness. And yes, it's about giving our kids a quality education that prepares them for a bright future, but also it's about giving them a childhood that they look back on and they love. Maybe the childhood we didn't have ourselves. Hi, I'm Christy Faith, and I'm headed your way to Virginia to speak at the 42nd Annual Virginia Homeschool Convention. I'm on a mission to make sure homeschoolers don't believe the lies. And yes, while society feeds us falsehoods, what I care about the most are the dangerous lies that we tell ourselves. That's why when I speak, I focus on two crucial elements that together build confidence. First, I work to dismantle those false beliefs that hold us back. And second, I draw on my 20 years of experience working with children and training teachers to enhance parents' skills, giving you real, tangible, practical skills so you can homeschool with assurance. After all, confidence naturally flows when we become better at what we do. Are you tired of constantly defending your decision to homeschool? If so, join me for my talk on handling those homeschool skeptics. Do the endless questions and unsolicited advice leave you feeling drained and sometimes uncertain? We'll tackle these struggles head on. This workshop will help you shift from feeling rattled by critics to confidently standing your ground. You'll gain eye-opening statistics, practical strategies for responding to naysayers, and most importantly, a newfound confidence in your homeschool journey. You're going to walk away knowing without a shadow of a doubt that you are providing an exceptional education and letting the noise of the skeptics just fade into the background noise of your undeniable success. Do you ever wonder if you're doing this homeschool thing right? Doubt creeps in, and it's hard to feel confident when you're unsure if you're on the right track. My talk titled, "Am I Doing This Right? I Just Don't Want to Mess This Homeschool Thing Up," is the workshop designed to give you the clarity that you've been looking for. Together, we'll do a step-by-step audit of your homeschool, assess key areas, and define what success looks like in each one. You'll leave knowing exactly where you shine and what you need to adjust so you can homeschool with confidence and peace of mind. We all face concerning behavior, resistance, pushback, and battles from our kids at one point or another. Behavior issues and motivation are one of my most favorite topics to speak on, so if you struggle with this at all in your homeschool, know that you will leave this workshop with major game changers that will for sure start to turn your days around. The surprising truth is that it's probably not laziness. And if we can get to the root cause of resistance, then we can make a clear path forward to more peaceful days. If you are brand new to homeschooling, you gotta come to Homeschooling 101, Doing It Scared. This workshop is designed to guide you through the key steps to start homeschooling with confidence and clarity. We'll go over everything you need to know to start off right, and I'll make sure to point out common rookie mistakes so you can avoid unnecessary setbacks. You're gonna leave this workshop with a clear plan, knowing exactly what to do and in what order, and we'll even share some laughs along the way. This is your chance to feel prepared, supported, and excited as you begin your homeschooling adventure. And we also can't forget our out-of-the-box learners. For parents facing math challenges at home, I have something transformative for you. Join my workshop, Goodbye Math Struggles, where we'll uncover the root causes of your child's math difficulties and explore proven techniques to overcome them. Learn how to create a positive, thriving math environment that helps your child excel and builds their confidence. And the strategies I teach here don't just stop at math. They'll bring joy and progress to all your subjects, making homeschooling a more enriching and rewarding experience for your entire family. So, which workshop are you most excited about? What's your don't miss talk? And as you know, it's the state nonprofits who are in the background supporting your homeschooling freedoms. One totally free thing you can do right now to help the homeschool cause that only takes 10 seconds is share this video with a friend or your homeschooling group and invite them to come to the conference. If you want to get to know me a little bit before the conference, let's do it. You can find me pretty much everywhere, so choose your favorite platform. Oh yeah, and register for the conference today. I can't wait to meet you. And just a heads up, when you meet me in person, I'm a hugger. See you there.